Hello. Okay. Are you ready for me? Good day, good day, good day, good day. I hope each and everyone is good, right? Okay. So in our previous lesson, we learned about the addition and subtraction of number bases, right? Other than base 10, right? Okay. In today's lesson, we are going to be looking at multiplication of number bases. Multiplication of number bases. Please and please again, keep on sharing my videos. And I can see the viewing aspect or people viewing it is what? Encouraging. It is coming up. Please keep on sharing. Keep on sharing. Please and please again. Then you subscribe so that should in case any new video is put, you can easily and quickly what? Get it. Are we getting that? Okay, let's proceed. Let's proceed. So multiplication of number bases. So this one we are referring to what other bases as well. Are we getting that? Not in base 10. For base 10, we normally do that one. So other bases. So that one too is done the same way as what? The base 10. Are we getting that? So it is done the same way as the base 10. So let's quickly take examples and we use examples to what? Explain. Are we okay? Okay, so our first example we are going for. Our first example is by the following. Okay, so I have 2 1 base 3 multiplying 2 1 base 3. I have my II, that's Roman number 2. That one is 102 base 3 multiplying 2 1 base 3. Roman number 3. I have 2 3 4 base 5 multiplying 4 base 5. Then lastly, IV, that is 5 3 base 8 multiplying 6 7 base 8. So we put solution and let's get the ball rolling. So the first one, I says 2 1 base 3 multiplying 2 1 base 3. And this one will get us. What do I do? If it is in base 10 and I have what? 1 2 multiplying, let's say 15. That is 12 multiplying 15. I say 12 times what? 15. Then what do? I use this one to multiply everything. Are we getting that? Coming to the second one will be under the second one too. Are we getting that? We know that one already. Or is that not it? So this one, let me use small numbers. So I'll have 2 times 3, or 3 times 2 is what? 6. 3 times 1 is what? 3. Then 1 times 2, I'm on the second, so I'll start putting it from the second. Are we getting that? First second. So 1 times 2 is what? 2. Then 1 times 1 is what? 1. Are we getting that? Then we add our result. And what we get is what? The product of these two. Are we okay? I think we are aware on that. So this one will get us 2 1 base 3 multiplying 2 1 base 3. So that is my product. Then what do I do? 1 times 1 is what? 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Then coming to the second one will be under the second one, right? Then 2 times 1 is what? 2. Then 2 times 2 is now 4. But we said in base 3, we don't have 4 as a digit. So we are not supposed to write a 4. We convert that 4 to what? Base 3. So how many groups of 3 can we have here? That is 1, remainder 1. So now I put 1, 1. Are we okay? I put 1, 1. Okay. So now I sum everything up, and this one will get me 1. This one will get me 4. And we don't have 4 in base 3. So what do we do? Getting 4, we convert. And converting to is the same as this one. 1, 1. So I'll write 1 here. then I'll carry the 1 forward, and here I'll have 2, then 1. Are we getting that? So it seems like it is coming closer to the line. Okay, so let me do it here. So this one will now get us 2, 1 base 3, 2, 1 base 3, then I'll multiply. So multiplying 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 2 is 2, then 2 times 1, it will come under what? Because I'm coming to the second one, so it will come under the second one. So 2 times 1 will be what? 2, then 2 times 2 is 4, so I said this 4 is in base what? It's not part of the digit of base 4. So I have to convert this one to base 3. So I asked myself, how many groups of 3 can I have here? We said 1, then 1 unit left. So we will have what? Instead of the 4, I'll write 1 and then what? 1. Then I have to sum everything up. So summing everything up, this one is 1, that is in base 3. And this plus this is 4, so that is what is here. So I'll put my 1, then carry the 1 forward. Then here is 2, then the 1. So then I say, therefore, 2, 1 base 3 times 2, 1 base 3 is equal to 1, 2, 1, 1 base 3. Are we okay? So that is that. Then we take what? The second one. I. And that one too says what? 102 base 3 times what? 21 base 3. So I'll have this one as 102 base 3, then by 21 base 3. So I have my products here. Are we okay? So taking the first one, multiplying 2, 1, I'll have 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, then 1. Are we getting that? Then I'm coming to the second one. So that one, so I'll start putting it right under the second one. So 2 times 2 get us what? 4. And we are in base 3. So that one is the 1, 1. Are we getting that? So I put what? 1. Then I do what? I carry the 1 forward. Are we getting that? Carry it forward will be. So 2 times 0 will get us what? 0, then plus the 1 is what? 1. Then I have what? 2 times 1, which is what? My 2. My 2. Then this one too together, then we add them. I didn't show that this here. Good. We add them. So adding this one will get us 2, 1, 2, 2 base 3. So therefore, I'll have 102 base 3 multiplying 2, 1 base 3 is equal to 2, 2, 1, 2 base 3. So what did I do? The first thing I did, let me work it here again. Let me work it here again. So I have 102 base 3, then 2, 1 base 3. Are we getting that? Okay. So this one I'll multiply this and I'll get to 0, then the 1. Are we okay? Then this one, we're on the second one. So it will start from the second one. So this by this, 2 to 4, converting it will be 1, 1. So I have my 1. Then I'm coming to this, so it will be here. So I'll multiply this one by this, getting 0, then plus the 1 I carry forward. So that one will be what? The 1 here. Are we getting that? Okay. Then 2 times 1 is what? 2. Then we add them. So adding them will be 2, 1, 2, 2. That is what we have here. Are we okay? Okay. So that is that for the second one too. Then let's move on to the third one. Let's move on to the third one. So should I solve the third one? Okay, let's solve it. I wanted to leave the third one so that you do it for me. Okay. I think you can do this one. I want to solve this. Do this one for me. And in solving the third one, So 2, 3, 4 base 5 times 4 base 5. So I'll have 2, 3, 4 base 5 times 4 base 5. And I have the times here. So please, this one you can pause and try and see if you are going to get it. So 4 will get me 16. We are in base 5. So how many groups of 5 can we get from 16? That is 3. Then what is left? 1. So converting this one will be what? 1, then the 3 will be here. Are we getting that? Because you can still write your 16, then you convert it. Then the remainder. So 5 here, 3, 5 to 15, remainder 1. 5 here, 0. So you see we are getting that. Okay. So then we have the 3 here. So 4, 3, that one 2 is 12. 12 plus then this one. 4 times this, 12. 12 plus this is 15. How many group of 5 can we get from the 15? That is what? 3. Then what is left? 0. Are we getting that? There will be 0 units. So I'll have that one to do a 0. Then I'll carry the 3 here. Then 4 to 8 plus the 3 will be what? 8 plus the 3 is what? 11. And I'm going to have what? 2 groups of what? 5. So I'll have the 2 groups of 5 then remainder 1 or 1 unit to be left. So I'll have 2, 1 base 5. So therefore I can say 2, 3, 4 base 5 times 4 base 5 is equal to 2101 base 5. That is that. Let me put this one to be small. Okay. So then the last one. The last one, which is what? The ID. And that one I won't solve it. Or should I solve it? Okay, let's solve that one. So ID, that one too is 5, 3, base 8 times 6, 7, base 8. Sorry. And that one too is getting us. I have my 5, 3, 6, 7, 8, 8. And they are multiplied. So let's see what this one too is getting at. So 7 times 3 will get us 21. So how many groups of 8 can we have here? That is 2 groups, then remainder what? 5. Because 2 times 8 is 16 plus 5 is what will get you 21. So I can write my 5, then my 5. I don't have to even bring this one. There, remainder 2. So then what do? I multiply this one by that, then I add it to this. So 7 times 5 is 35 plus this is 37. So I'm going to have what? 37. So how many groups of 8 can we have in 37? That is what? 4. Because 8 for 32. Then that 32, what is left? Taking 32 from 37, I'll be left with what? Another 5. Please, are we getting that? So I can write here 2 to be what? 5. Then the 4 now what? Comes. Are we getting that? So converting 37, because this times this plus this is this. And we can't write that one here because that one is in base 10. Are we getting that? So we are converting. So we converted and we had what? This. Are we okay? So having this one is for only this by this. Then we continue with this one, the second one, so it will come under this. So 3, 6. That one is 6 times 3, and that one is 18. So how many groups of 8 can we have in 18? That is what? 2. 2. So 8 times 2 is what? 16. Then remainder 2. So I can write my 2 here. Then I bring what? The 2 left on top. So we are done with what? This one, and we are taking the top one. Are we getting that? Okay. So then 6 times the 5 is what? 30 plus the 2 is what? 32. So how many groups of 8 can we have here? That is what? 4 exactly. So it will be 4 exactly, then there will be no unit left. So I can write what? The 0 here and the 4 words here. So when I add them, what do I get? I get 5, then 7, then 4, and what? 4 base 8. Base 8. So I can say therefore 5, 3 base 8 multiplying 6, 7 base 8 is equivalent to or is equal to 4, 4, 7, 5 base 8. And that is that. So are we okay? Okay. So I have another set of examples for you. So that is that for what? That one too. And I hope you solving it able together. So let's take example number 2. Perform the following operations. I won't solve a lot of them. I'm going to solve only the II. So example number 2. We are to perform the following what? Operations. So, should I make it I? Let me make it A. I have the first one to be 1011 base 2 times 11 base 2 all squared. So I'm going to solve the B and the C with you. So I put solution. But I will solve the I or the A. So solving the A is getting us A. Will get us answer. If you're able to solve it correctly, you are going to be getting an answer 100,001 base 2. 100,001 base 2 for that one. So let's tackle the B. So I'll have B. And the B is what? 3t et base 12 times 2 base 12. So I'll have 3t et base 12, 2 base 12, and the product. So I'll have 2 multiplying t, and we know t is what? 10, right? So 2 times 10 is what? 2 times 10. 2 times 10 will get us what? 20, right? So 20. 2 times 10 is 20. So what do? It's in base what? It's in base 10. So what do? We convert it to base 12. So how many groups of 12 can we have here? That is what? 1. Then remember 8. So I put my 8, then bring the 1 here. Please, are we getting that? Then I have my base 12 because this one I don't have any number that is going to multiply again. So we are having that for this one. And now we multiply this one by this. This one is 11. So 2 times 11 is what? 22. Then what do? We add the 1 to 8 to get what? 23. And how many groups of 12 do we have in 23? That is 1. Then remember what? 11. And in base 12, 11 is written as what? E. Are we getting that? So I can put my E here. then put my 1 here. Are we getting that? That is the one I'm carrying forward, and the E as the remainder is what is here. Are we getting that? Then I'm multiplying this by that. So if I multiply 2 by 10, it's what? 20. Are we getting that? Then the plus 1. That one too is what? 21. Then how many groups of 12 are in this one? That is what? 1. So if I take what? 12 from this one, what is left? What is left? Taking 12 from this one, what is left? That is what? 9. So I have my 9 here. Are we getting that? So I'll have what? 1, 9. Because when I convert this one to this 12, I'll have 1, 9. It will go, 12 will go into this one, 1, then remainder 9 or 9 units. Are we getting that? So that is what I've written. And I'm carrying the 1 forward. Then 2 times 3 is what? 6 plus 1 is what? 7. Are we getting that? So we see therefore 3t base 12 times 2 base 12 is equal to 7, 9, 8 base 12. So are we getting that? That is the answer we are going to get. Okay. Then the last example I said I'm going to solve with you is what? Is the C. Is the C. So the C is what? 101 squared. And it's the same as what? 101 times 101. And it's in base 2. Sorry. It's in base 2. It's in base 2. So let me write it all. It's in base 2. So that is that. So that one too is in base 2. So I can have base 2 times what? 101 base 2. Are we getting that? Okay. Sorry for the mistake. So you go back there and correct that. Okay. So writing that one will get me what? 101, 101, and they are multiplying. So this one is going to get me. Let's start. 1 times 1 is what? 1. 1 times 0 is what? 0. 1 times 1 is 1. Then 0 times 1 is what? 0. 0 times 0, 0. Lastly, 0 times 1 is what? 0. Then we come to the third one. So that one will be another third one because this is first, second, so third. So 1 times 1 is 1. Then 1 times 0 is 0. Then 1 times 1 is what? 1. So right after we are done, then we add everything. We add everything. We sum everything up. So this one is going to get us what? 1. This one will get us 0. This one will get us, this one will get us what? 0. This one will get us 2. But we are in base what? 2. So it will tend to what? 0. Then we carry the 1 forward. So it will be 1 here and 1 here is 2. Therefore, we can say that 101 base 2 all squared is equal to 11001 base 2. And that is it. And we are getting that. So this is all under our multiplication tool. So I think you're able to get, for the A, you're able to get this one, right? Okay. And this one too is that we have so many examples in any pamphlet or the pamphlet you are having, Aquila, A+, and that is what I'm encouraging you to do. Right after learning with me, then you go back to what? The A+, because that one has sectioned the questions in a way that it's in topics. Are we getting that? So when you go there, you see number basis and all the necessary questions, both BC, both WASI questions or past questions and other things, they are all there. So you go there, you take more, you solve, and even in your Aquila, your pamphlets, you check in what number basis, you get so many examples to what to solve. Okay, this will be the end of the road for us. Thank you. See you another time. Bye bye.